All right, today in math, we're going to be talking about time. We know about short and long. We've talked about how some things are short while others are long. This snake is shorter than the long branch. We're going to be using those words today to talk about time. For instance, we can talk about if something is longer. Would it take us longer to drive to the store in a car? Or would it take longer to walk to the store? It would probably take longer to walk to the store because you wouldn't be moving as fast. You would have to take a lot of steps. It would be much faster to go in the car. We can also talk about which is shorter. Would it be shorter to drive in the car to the store or to walk to the store? That's right. It would take shorter time to drive to the store. That would be faster. Okay, let's see if we can do some more examples here. Which would take longer? To run or to walk? Which would take longer time? That's right. It would take longer to walk somewhere. It would take shorter time if you ran. Okay, now which one would be shorter time? Would it take a shorter amount of time to ride your bike somewhere or to drive your car? Which one would take a shorter amount of time? Yeah, you would go in a car if you wanted it to take less time. It would take a shorter amount of time to drive in your car than it would to ride your bike. Let's try one more. Would it take longer to go in your car or on an airplane? These are both pretty fast, but an airplane goes much faster, so it would take longer to take your car. It would take you a longer time to take your car somewhere than to get on an airplane. Good job. So now I have a job for you. I want you to find out which is faster for you. I want you to pick one room in your house. And what you're going to do is you're going to walk slowly across the room and time yourself. And then you're going to go back to the first spot again, and this time you're going to tiptoe really quietly all the way across the room. Which one takes longer? Will it take you longer to walk across the room? Or will it take you longer to tiptoe? I want you to find out. Try them both across your room.